Naomi Home presents the Parker 5-drawer cabinet assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This cabinet comes as shown with 5 drawers to store your essentials. To get started, get all 10 drawer slides and disconnect the inner part from the outer part. Do so by lifting the release tab while sliding the piece out of place. Place 5 drawer slides outer onto part number 2. Use 3 D-screws to attach each slide in place. Insert 1 cam bolts onto the front middle hole. Place 5 drawer slides outer onto part number 3. Use 3 D-screws to attach each slide in place. Insert 1 cam bolts onto the front middle hole. Place a wood dowel pin on part number 2 and part number 3. Connect part number 4 onto part number 2 and 3. Use 2 cam locks to lock the parts in place. Insert 4 wood dowel pins onto part number 5. Now, connect part number 5 onto parts number 2 and 3. Use 4 E-screws to secure it in place. Slide part number 6 between the grooves of parts number 2 and 3. Insert 4 cam bolts and 4 wood dowel pins onto part number 1. Attach part number 1 onto part number 2 and 3. Use 4 cam locks to lock them in place. Get 16 I-screws as well as your front and rear wheels. The front wheels have a switch. When the switch is down, the wheels are locked. When the switch is up, the wheels can move freely. Place the front wheels in the front of part number 5 and the rear wheels in the back. Use 4 I-screws on each wheels to attach them onto part number 5. Now we'll continue with the drawers assembly. Obtain all parts of numbers 8, 9, and 10. Use 2 E-screws to connect part number 8 onto part number 10. Use 2 more E-screws to connect part number 9 onto part number 10. Pause here and repeat this step 4 more times. Insert 2 cam bolts and 2 wood dowel pins into each part number 7. Attach a drawer handle onto a part number 7 using 2 bolts. Repeat the steps until all parts number 7 have a drawer handle attached. Get all parts number 11, slide 1 into the grooves of parts number 8 and 9. Connect part number 7 onto parts number 8 and 9. Use 2 cam locks to lock them in place. Pause here and repeat this step 4 more times. Place 1 drawer slide inner on the sides of each part number 10 and 12. Use 3 D-screws to secure each drawer slide inner in place. Repeat the steps until each drawer has 2 sliders attached. Carefully insert drawer boxes by aligning the inner and outer drawer slides and gently pushing the drawer boxes. And there you have it. Your Parker 5-drawer cabinet is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.